How do you give back to people who think precious? Actually, I have two precious people. One is my mother and another is my high school teacher. And they are old, so generally speaking, I don't have much time to give back to them. So I want to give back to them a lot. My mother often says to me, she doesn't have anything she wants to do or she wants to have or she wants me to do. So I try to share my favorites with her. For example, going abroad or going to see the concert or going to eat at the famous restaurant. But it's just something I like. So I feel not clear because I want to do something she likes. So it's I feel cloudy. And another person, my high school teacher, he also says to me he doesn't have anything he wants or he wants to do or he wants me to do. So I often ask him if I treat you to the lunch, but he doesn't even allow me to treat him to lunch. So how can I give back to them like who don't have anything desired? I can't come up with anything anything that I can give back to them. So could you give me an idea that I can give back to them, please? Anyway, today that's all. Thank you for watching this video. I'm waiting for your advice or idea or anything. So see you next time. Bye.